Palmdale Mayor Steve Hoffbauer here with the Thursday, March 26th update on the operations going on at the city and the programs that we're involved with to date. I'll let JJ talk to you on our regional coordinating program that we've got going on. And JJ, can you tell us about that?
We just hung up with our regional partners, collaboration meeting. It went very well. We are sharing with all of our partners time-sensitive information that gives them better situational awareness, whether it's from the medical field, the law enforcement field, what's going on with the schools. We're all having challenges. Some of us have needs. We're sharing those with each other so that we can maybe fill the gaps. So it was a very important meeting, and I think very productive. From the City of Palmdale perspective, we are analyzing the post-surge needs of our hospital and anything we can do from a city standpoint. We've been partnering with the Sheriff's Department to work with the hospital on traffic control. I guess my main message to you, the residents, is it's go time. The next 7 to 12 days are critical. So don't put your guard down and go out and break down that social distancing discipline you've had so far. Hunker down, jump on our website, look at all our resources, jump on our Facebook page, but stay indoors as much as you can. Keep your family indoors as much as you can. These next 7 to 10 days are critical. So do your part. Thank you, Palmdale Cares. Back to you, Mayor.
Thanks. So last couple of days, today and yesterday, we've had briefings through the County of Los Angeles with the Red Cross and with the White House. We have almost daily briefings, several of them each day. Let me just give you the highlights from these meetings that are going on. The county is working really hard with the homeless population. They have 0 reported COVID cases within the homeless community. Now it's still at risk because a lot of those folks have underlying medical problems, but they're working on that. They've also reduced crowding in the jails and at the youth facilities, and they have expedited processing of applications for housing programs and things like that. Remember, if you qualified for CalFresh, you can apply for that online. The county health officer updated us on some of the new numbers. You can find that on the LA County website. One of the important things is that they talk about is our hospital bed capacity. We get updated on it countywide. Keep in mind that there's 84 hospitals in LA County. There's 2 up here in the Antelope Valley, but overall that accounts for 23,000 beds and 2,200 ICU beds. Right now they have over 1,500 beds open and over 220 ICU beds. So they feel that they're doing okay so far with this potential surge that we might be looking at. A lot of it is going to depend on what you and I are doing every day, maintaining our social distancing, wash your hands, and don't be getting around crowds and avoid that. FEMA and OES are providing supplies, personal protective equipment, the ventilators and things like that. The fire department has a team down at Long Beach Harbor that's working to help expedite that process coming in. So we're right now, I think we're in reasonably good shape based on what the experts are telling us right now. We also had a briefing with the Red Cross. They are helping with schools, feeding. They were in contact on one of our meetings today. Here's an important number that you need to think about. Red Cross supplies 45% of the national needs for blood, normally with a 4 to 5 day supply at any one time. They have less than a 2-day supply. If you're a donor, please call or log on to the Red Cross site. Why is that important? Because trauma patients and cancer patients are still in extreme need for those blood products. So that's why that's important. Mayor Pro Tem Richard Lowe is here, and he'll talk to you a little bit about some of the stimulus packages and some of the economic assistance that's coming down from the various resources. So, Richard?
Thank you, Mayor. And again, we thank our residents for being vigilant on what's going on these days with this COVID crisis. I wanted to talk a little bit about our Palmdale Cares initiative. we have signed up 30 users to take advantage of our free daycare for children program for healthcare employees, first responders, and city employees. So we've already had 30 people sign up. We're also expanding our drive-by and pickup services at both Saves and Legacy Commons for some of the most needy in our community. We're also expanding the hours for both of those programs. I want to talk a little bit about the business stimulus program. As you probably know, the stimulus package has been passed by the Senate and is awaiting action by the Congress, which should be coming on Friday, March 27th. The stimulus package is something that we are supporting here in the city of Palmdale. We support the President and the Senate and the action that is going to be taken by the House. This $2.3 trillion is going to come out to the states and the local governments, and it will help the local businesses directly, and people can expect to be receiving checks, assistance checks in the mail within a few weeks. Don't forget to go to the Palmdale website, which is cityofpalmdale.org, which will give you links to the SBA and other financial programs that will assist local businesses get over this crisis.
I just want to remind everybody that on your way home from work, if you're one of those essential employees, if you're having to run that important errand, support your local restaurants out here. Tip your servers. Take Me Home Palmdale is a page on our website. It's got a lot of the mom and pops out there that are really struggling, and they sure could use your help. And playpalmdale.com to get more information about the program Richard told you about for the first responders and other essential employees they need for daycare. So thanks again for watching, and we'll update you again soon.